BMW's curved glass screen, 14.9-inch touchscreen with navigation. This will blow it up big, and you have the pinch with the swipe. When you click into the home button, this is all of your quick wedges that you can tailor, and you can add wedges. Click on the 4 squares. Here, we're going to demonstrate as much as possible so you can understand the BMW i8 Drive. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, that's going to be standard. Your seat comfort, when you click onto here, you'll have 10 different seat adjustments. So you click onto these little bubbles and they will adjust those little areas. The same thing here. So it just makes it a little bit more luxurious for the driver and passenger. When you click here, you'll have your massage seat settings, in which you can toggle through here a lot of different settings and different massage speeds and levels. When you click onto this, that is your climate control for the front occupants. You can slide this over so it's just for the driver, slide it over and it's just for the passenger. If you want to sync it, simply hit the sync button. You can also click the climate menu here, and you can lower or raise the speed. Click back into the home, click into the 4 squares, and your personal assistant. You can just hit the introduction.
Hello, I am your personal assistant and as such your expert for sheer driving pleasure. I can help you adjust vehicle functions and offer you advice and support. Ask me questions at any time, such as how is the traffic on my route, or give a command, such as open the rear right window. I can control functions for you so that you can keep your eyes on the road as much as possible, and we will always get to your destination safely. You will find tips for voice control and additional sample commands in the help menu so we can always understand each other perfectly. Just ask me. I'm already looking forward to driving together.
Slide over here. This is for your tips, your BMW assistant. Click the home button. Go back into the 4 squares. Scroll down. FM, Sirius XM, My Modes. When you click into here, this will set up for the way you like it. If you want to sport drive, this will contour your seat for the sport settings. You can go back into the driving modes right there, and you can do your efficient, switch it again, expressive, which will engage your massage seats and the ambient lighting. Click into relax. This will change the whole atmosphere, also change your climate control. The same thing with the massage seats or moving the lumbar support. Click back into those, go back into My Modes, and you can just simply turn it off, very easy. The BMW digital key, Wi-Fi hotspot connection. Change the display layout. You can do this for the cockpit, heads-up display, and your instrument cluster. If you click into the parking, and it will zoom in on whichever side you click. You have the assistant view, which will show you for your backup, in which this has already recorded 36 feet of my backup. You would just put it into reverse and hit the start backup assist. This will change the layout of the camera. When you click into the more, here you can clean the cameras for the front, the rear, or both. Click back into the more. You have your car wash view, which shows the trajectory in the front and any objects that are surrounding. Click your 3D view. You have gesture control, or simply click onto these little icons or camera positions. You can't do anything here. Click back into the more. You can change the whole settings for your backup. Click back home. Click those 4 squares. We're going to go into the driving settings. This, you can put the iconic sound, which will filter through the speakers to give an exhaust note that's more futuristic. You can also turn that off, so all you will hear is a quiet cabin. Thank you for watching the tutorial on how to use iDrive8. For any questions, talk to your BMW Genius department.